Most of the engineering background peoples have dreamed to do the job in PSUs. If you are also one of them, then there is very good opportunity for you to apply for HAL jobs. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited has released the recruitment notification for various posts like management trainees and design trainee. So there are 38 vacancies for design trainee for which aeronautical background peoples are also eligible. And the best part is there is no requirement of GATE score. So even if you have not qualified the GATE exam or going to appear this year, you are still eligible and can still fill the application. Application process will be through online mode only from 9th February to 2nd March. During this, you can submit your application. Detailed notification can be downloaded from HAL website. Link is also given in description. Let's see the notification. So second paragraph is about number of vacancies and reservation. So for design trainee post, there are 2 vacancies for aeronautical background people under unreserved category. So you can apply in unreserved category. For rest of the posts like management trainee, technical and management trainee IIM, management trainee, non-technical, aeronautical background people are not eligible. Next is qualification requirement. So full-time 4-year bachelor degree in engineering from recognized university is required. So for design trainee posts, aeronautical, aerospace, these are the eligible branch of engineering. And as previously discussed, for other posts, aeronautical engineering peoples are not eligible. So if you have AMAESI degree from Aeronautical Society of India, you are also eligible to apply. And engineering degree in any other discipline other than those which are mentioned above, they are not eligible. Aggregate percentage requirement. So for aeronautical, 60% is required for unreserved OBC and EWS candidate, and for ST/ST candidate 50% is required. So if you are in final semester of your bachelor degree, you are also eligible to apply subjected to the aggregate percentage they have already mentioned, that is 60%. Age criteria and relaxation. So upper age limit is 28 years for unreserved and EWS category candidate. So candidates should not be more than 28 years of age on 2nd March 2022. This is for unreserved and EWS category, and upper age limit is relaxed by 5 years for SC/ST candidate and by 3 years for OBC non-creamy layer. So there is application fee of 500 rupees which you have to submit in form of challan. So in para 5.2 they have mentioned to deposit the application fee in any branch of State Bank of India in form of prescribed challan format. Next is registration process. So before registering the application, you should have valid email ID and scanned copy of latest passport size color photograph, and obviously educational detail like semester wise marks and etc. And if you are employed, then you have to give the employment detail also. And again, application portal will be open from 9th February 2022 to 2nd March 2022. And these are the steps to apply for the post. So in step number 1, you have to go to their website, that is www.halindia.co.in, and then you have to select the name of the post for which you want to apply. And then you have to fill the educational qualification, you have to upload the photographs. And after filling all the details, you are required to deposit the application fee as already mentioned. And then you have to upload the copy of challan after depositing the fees in any branch of State Bank of India. Selection process. Selection will be based on online test and interview. So first there will be online test, and if you clear the online test, then you will be called for interview. They have also mentioned about the pattern of the test. So test will be of 2.5 hour duration. So MCQ test will be in 3 parts. First part will have 20 MCQ on general awareness. Second part will consist of 40 MCQ on English and reasoning. And part 3 will consist of 100 MCQ on concerned discipline, means 100 MCQ will be there from aeronautical subjects. This can be taken in Hindi or English. At the time of application, you have to mention in which language you want to appear for the test. After online test, candidate will be shortlisted for interview in the ratio of 1:5. And for final merit list, 85% weightage will be given for online test marks and 15% weightage will be given for interview marks. These are the pre-employment medical standard which you can read. There is agreement bond also. There is agreement bond of 5 years, and in case of breach you are liable to pay some amount which is mentioned here. These are some general conditions. Like only Indian nationals are eligible to apply. Degree should not be from the correspondence or part-time. And if you have CGPA instead of percentage, then which formula you are using to convert your CGPA. And for this you also have to require the certificate from university. And all general conditions you can read in detail. So this is the tentative schedule of activities. So as already discussed, for online registration, you can submit the application from 9th February to 2nd March. E-admit card will be available from 10th of March. For online test, 7 April to 9th April. Declaration of test result in HAL website on 12 April. Download of interview call letter on 13 April. Interview for shortlisted candidates at HAL Bangalore from 4 May to 6 May, and declaration of list of provisionally selected candidate in HAL website 9th of May, and then provisional offer of appointment in HAL website from 12th May. So once go through the detailed notification, link is also given in the description, and application will be only through the online mode, that also from 9th February to 2nd March.